I'm gonna tell you why chips are good. Right now, I'm eating some Doritos, baked, and also I'm gonna tell you why. So that they name it baked Doritos. See, when you open the bag, it's like, alright, this bag is big, and so I guess when you open the bag, you're like, I'm gonna need a full bag of chips. You open the bag, there's only like that much. This is pretty much brand new. You know, I understand that people, they do want a full bag, but if you're not getting a full bag, then what the fuck? You know what I'm saying? And they call it baked. They call it baked because I guess like, well, you see, I'm gonna read what it says on the chip bag. Our baked Doritos, brand nacho cheese flavor. These are nacho cheese, yes. I am eating baked nacho cheese Doritos. Flavor tortilla chips have 50% less fat than regular flavor. So basically, less fat and yeah, less fat. So if you're fat, like me, I weigh over 600 pounds. If you're fat like me, you're gonna have to go ahead and get baked Doritos. You know what I'm saying? Peace.